In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix location could not be determined error on Google Maps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now if you are facing this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for maps, and if you tap on it, now we are on the maps app info page. Here, go down to force stop and OK, and again go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your maps app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still experience any challenge at this point, then check and then see if we have any update for Google Maps app through Google Play Store or App Store. I'm on Android, and therefore I'll search for maps, and if I run it, tap on it, and in case you have an update, update your app to the latest version. However, should this not fix your problem, then most likely check and see if you're using any VPN app, turn it off, or if you're using any security app that you recently installed, and install it to fix this problem. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if at this point you still have a challenge, then most likely the problem is with Google Maps internal server error. So for that, you'll need to wait and then see if after some few minutes this problem would have been fixed. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.